Hey, Maggie.
Hi, Nicole. I'm so glad you're here. I'm trying to calculate my property taxes. I'm exhausted. I don't even understand what's going on.
Wait, Maggie, why are you trying to calculate your property taxes?
Because I gotta pay my property taxes. I mean, that's kind of important, right?
Maggie, property taxes are not like personal income taxes. You don't have to calculate them. It's done for you by the assessor's office.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Have you been doing this all this time today?
I've been here all morning. I mean, I have this slide ruler and calculators, and I still can't figure out how to calculate my property taxes. You're the best thing that's happened to me this morning.
Well, it is complicated, but if you want, I can break it down for you. It's really not that big a deal, and the good news is you can put all this stuff away.
This is genius. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay. Let me put all this away. Hi, Nicole.
Maggie, why are you dressed like that?
We're talking about taxes, and I'm ready to talk about what we owe Uncle Sam.
Okay.
Yeah, so thanks for telling me about that assessor and all that stuff. So, tell me this. Does the assessor's office just pick a number out of a hat?
No, not quite.
Oh. Do they just throw a dart at a dartboard? I mean, how do they come up with this?
Where'd you get all this stuff? No, the assessor does not pick a number out of a hat. The assessor does not throw a dart at a dartboard to determine your property tax value.
Ooh, I got it. Do I get to just pick my taxes? Pick the number?
Yeah, we all wish we could pick our tax rate. But no, that's not exactly how it works. Do you want me to show you a formula they use on calculating your property taxes?
Yes. I mean, I think I need to understand.
I think you do
going
too.
On. Okay.
Okay.
I'm Maggie Turner, a realtor here at Springs Homes.
And I'm Nicole Happel, another realtor with Springs Homes.
And we're here to tell you how your property taxes are calculated. Okay, so you were going to give me an example and break down how this all works. So tell it to me straight, Nicole.
The assessor starts with the market value of a home.
Okay.
And market value is determined by recent sales of similar properties in that same area.
Okay. So is this the same market value you'd sell your home for?
Not necessarily. Market value can be determined by the assessor site in a different way than a realtor can do it, but ultimately we're talking about the assessor getting to your property taxes. So for his purposes, we'll take his market value and then we will multiply it by the assessment rate.
Okay, so then you have your assessed value. And do you pay that amount of taxes?
Not yet. There's one more step.
One more step. Okay, so what happens?
You take your assessed value and you multiply that by your mill levy. And you know a lot about mill levy. Tell me what a mill levy consists of.
Yeah, so mill levies are your school districts, Pikes Peak Regional Library District. You might have special taxing districts that have a mill levy. There's a mill levy for
fire department, water.
Yeah.
So basically, you've got your assessed value times your mill levy rate, and your mill levy rate can vary according to neighborhood.
Totally.
You might have a different mill levy in a northern part of Colorado Springs versus a southern part, but you take that amount times your assessed value, and that equals your property tax amount for the year.
So let's do a real world example. Let's pick a house that has a market rate, according to the assessor's office, market value of $300,000.
Good idea. Okay, so we would start with our market value, $300,000, and multiply that by the current assessment rate, which is 7.2%.
Right, and so then that gives us our assessed value of $21,600.
Right.
Then we take that and we multiply it by the mill levy. And let's say for this house, the mill levy is 89.
Correct. And mill levies can vary by neighborhood, but we're just using an example here.
Yeah, so we take that assessed value, $21,600, multiplied by the mill levy of 89. That gives us final tax rate for the year of
$1,922.40.
All right, there you go.
Now you know the formula. Now you have an idea. The only other missing piece to all of this is how often are these taxes going to be calculated?
Yeah, so it's 2019 and your taxes, that market value is reassessed by the assessor's office every 2 years on the odd years. So 2019 is one of those years. So everybody will be getting in the mail, you'll be getting what's called a notice of value. So you'll see if your market value, according to the assessor's office, has gone up. It'll be going out in May.
So look forward to that value and that new property tax bill you're about to receive. And if you do choose to dispute it, please call one of us at Springs Homes and we'd be happy to help you out, provide you some comparables to, you can dispute it through the assessor site.
So like you can go and say like, hey, I think my market value is too high?
Yep, you can. Yep.
Which a lot of us are going to see some increased market value according to the assessor's office. Don't you think, after the last 2 years?
Oh, yeah, given the market we're in. But yes, call one of us if you have any questions or if you need some help disputing your new tax rate.
And remember, you don't have to calculate this on your own. You can go online. No need to use a slide ruler or calculators. You can go online to see what your tax rates are. And most everyone, it gets taken care of in your mortgage.
Yeah, this is true. I mean, a lot of you are not paying your taxes directly out of pocket. A lot of them are already paid monthly with your house payment. So just know when you get that bill in the mail, you may or may not necessarily write a check for the bill, but it's good for you to have, especially when it comes time to take those deductions on your tax return.
Yeah. So I think that's it. Property taxes.
For now.
Yeah. Maybe we'll be back next month with some new information for you on anything to do with your home. Thanks for joining us.
Or Colorado Springs.
Yeah.
Maggie,
Oh, hi.
don't forget to tell everyone to subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Ah, yes. Thank you. Thank you. Yes, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Ready?
No.
Hello.
Hello.
My classic.
Yeah.
Hello. Okay. All right.
Yeah, do that. Do that.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right.
Well, it didn't even fit over my head. I think you have to
You
have
mean it did fit over your head?